How to fix Instagram not sending SMS text code. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So all what you wanna do first is just go to the settings on your phone, open the apps. Now on this page you will find the apps that you have on your phone. So just wait a few seconds. And now you have to scroll like this until you find Instagram, click on it, and now on this page all what you want to do here is click on the force stop here in the top, as you can see, and then click on force stop. And now last thing you want to do is make sure to click on storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.